Hey guys, my name is Brittany with Dio. This video is going to show you how to get this blowout right here with the volume. My hair is a little frizzy, so I'm going to teach you some ways to keep that frizz down. So first I go in with the TRESemme heat protecting spray. I get it at CVS, about $7 or $8. So what I'm going to do is just spray the ends like this. Make sure I coat it pretty well. So next, so this is my holy grail right here. I've been using this ever since I was 16, I think. I have very frizzy hair. Frizzes up when there's even like 1% of humidity outside. So this really helps. So I do about 2 pumps of this after I brush it out with the heat protectant. And I just go in and I do the same thing. Kind of just spread it all throughout the roots and to the end, to the tips. I try not to put too much in the roots because I feel like it is very greasy. So if I put too much in the roots, my hair will come out pretty greasy. So just kind of start from the middle and then work my way down. So this is my prep before I start blow drying it. So now that my hair is prepped, I do like a rough dry just to kind of get it dry. It helps me dry my hair faster when I'm styling it. So I'm just going to do a rough dry and then I'll start blowing it out. But the hair dryer that I use is Trezoro. It's an Iconic hair dryer. I bought it from Amazon. It was like 60-70 bucks, which is honestly not bad for a hair dryer. Some go for like I think 300 or something like that, which as a mom of 2 kids, don't have a lot of funds to be spending $300 on hair dryers. But yeah, this one works great, and it has the little nozzle at the end as well for more heat protectant. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start doing a rough dry. I make sure to get the roots up here at the top as well. Alright, now my hair is about like maybe 40-50% dry. So next, I like a lot of like volume at the top. So I do use these roller brushes, or these rollers from Amazon. They're like this. And I use a little bobby pin to just pin it up. So what I like to do is I like to take my front piece and just roll it up, and I'll stick it here at the top. What I call the money piece. It's the piece that falls to the right side of my face. So I'll pin that up and let it sit while I dry the rest of my hair. So I'll do like 2 pieces. I'll do this piece and then this piece. So I'd like to part my hair pretty far to the left. You'll see when I have it pinned up and once I take it down. I forgot, so before I start, this is the best thing ever. It's the Olivia Garden Roller Brush XL. So before I found out about the XL, I was just using the regular size. My hair is longer, and this thing is just a lifesaver. So this is if you have like longer, thicker hair. It helps the process go by a lot quicker. So let me go ahead and pin up my front part. Make sure to get the root pretty well. Roll it. Alright guys, so now it's pretty dry, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the end and then roll up. I'm going to roll out. So it really gives it that volume. So I'm going to just roll it up like that and just get my bobby pin here, and just pin it up like this, and I'm going to leave it like this. It looks ridiculous, but I'm going to leave it like this the rest of my blowout. And I'm also going to pin up this piece as well, just to try to give it that extra volume. I'll do a video later for you guys where I do a whole pin up of my entire hair, but like I said, I'm kind of short on time right now, so I'm just going to do this front, the front piece right here. Okay, done with that. Again, take another little roller here, and I'm just going to roll it up. Like I said, this looks absolutely ridiculous, but I mean, I swear by it. It works for me. It's my little secret here to getting all that volume. Next, so now that I have both pieces pinned up and my hair is about 50% dry, I'm going to go ahead and start doing the rest of my hair. So what I'll do is I'm going to break it up into 3 pieces. So I'm going to do the bottom layer first. So I'm going to just go ahead and pin or clip all this up. This is the Lululemon clip. I absolutely love this clip just because I have like thick hair, and I do have, it is very long, and this actually just like holds my hair. I've tried a lot of other clips, but this, you know, this works for me. This actually holds my hair up, and it doesn't slip or fall. So I'm going to go ahead and pin this up here, and then I'm going to blow out this bottom layer. Again, I'm going to go in with my brush like this, and I'm going to twirl it this way, and then once I get to the bottom, I'm going to go like this and pull it out like that, and then I'll get like that little curl right here. So the secret here is just to make sure that your roots are very dry before you start the curl down here. So once I get to this part right here, I keep pulling out like that, and then I'm going to twirl out and down. Okay. Now I'm going to go to the next layer. My second layer, like I said, I do 3 layers. Just pin up. Also, you want to make sure to pull up and out. That really gives you that volume that you want at the root. And once you get to the bottom here, you want to turn out and down like that. They like to like twist it like this. Keep that curl. Whew, I'm getting hot here. Alright, we're on the last layer. Okay, so you're going to pull up, out. Now that it's all dry, I'm going to take out my, what I call money pieces here. They're still a little wet, so I'm going to go through them again with the brush just to make sure it's fully dry, because if my hair is not fully dry, like I said, it has so much frizz in it. So if I don't fully dry it and it's humidity, it's humid outside, it starts frizzing up. But you'll see here, it's looking good. It's got that volume up here. I'm just going to go in and just touch it up a little bit, but you'll see the little curl that I have here, the part to the left, you'll see my baby hairs right here, the regrowth. I have kind of like a weird part line, but you know, you gotta work with what you have, right? Alright guys, so this is the finished product here. And please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. If you have any ideas for more videos, just let me know. Thanks.